Question is given a square root of minus a is equal to 4. So we have to find out the value of a here. How we can find out the value of a? Let's see solution. A square root of minus a is equal to 4. This is given. So we can write this minus a, right? Minus a power 1 upon a. Power 1 upon a is equal to 4. Now we can take power a both side. Taking power a both sides, then we will get minus a power 1 upon a power a is equal to 4 power a. Now this a is cancelled from this a, so minus a is equal to 4 power a. Now again we have to do one thing here. We can multiply both sides by 4 power minus a. Multiply both sides by 4 power minus a. Then we will get 4 power minus a times minus a is equal to 4 power a times 4 power minus a, right? Now we can write this minus a times 4 power minus a is equal to 4 power. Now this is the a power m plus a power n. We know the formula a power m times a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So here 4 power a minus a. So minus a times 4 power minus a is equal to 4 power a minus a, 4 power 0. Minus a times 4 power minus a is equal to 4 power 0 is 1, right? Now we can apply here Lambert W function. So according to Lambert W function, we can do here one thing. Minus a times this 4 we can write e power ln 4 power minus a is equal to 1. We can write this minus a times e power this one minus a ln 4 is equal to 1, right? Now multiply both sides by ln 4. Ln 4. Then we will get ln 4 times minus a times e power minus a ln 4 is equal to ln 4, right? Now we can write this minus a ln 4 times e power minus a ln 4 is equal to ln 4. Now minus a ln 4 times e power minus a ln 4 is equal to, we can write this ln 4. So ln 4 is 2 square, right? Now minus a ln 4 times e power minus a ln 4 is equal to this ln 2 square. So we can write this 2 ln 2 because we know the formula log of a power b is equal to b log 2. Sorry, b log a, right? So using this ln a power b is equal to b ln a. So here minus a ln 4 times e power minus a ln 4 is equal to this, we can write this 2. We can write e power ln 2 times this one ln 2, right? Now minus a ln 4 times e power minus a ln 4 is equal to this ln2 we can write here. So ln2 times e power ln2, right? E power ln2. Now you can see here minus a ln4 times e power minus a ln4. Here ln2 times e power ln2. So both side comparing same expression, right? A ln4 and here also in power minus a ln4, ln2 here also in power ln2. So we can write according to again Lambert function. Minus a ln4 is equal to this one. Minus a ln4 is equal to ln2, right? Therefore minus a ln, this is 4, so we can write this 2 square is equal to ln2. Now minus a ln 2 square, so we can write this minus 2 a ln 2 minus 2 comes this side, 2 a ln 2 is equal to ln 2. Now divide both sides by ln 2. Then we will get minus 2a ln 2 divided by ln 2 is equal to ln 2 divided by ln 2. Now this ln2 cancel from this ln2 and this ln2 cancel from this ln2. So left term is minus 2a is equal to 1. Minus 2a is equal to 1. Therefore we can say a is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is the value of a from first method. Now we can solve this second method by second method. So this is the second method. Now we are solving this question using second method. So a square root of minus a is equal to 4. This is given question. So we can write this minus a power 1 upon a is equal to 4. Right? Now let's consider 1 upon a is equal to minus x, right? Therefore minus a is equal to 1 upon x, right? Minus a is equal to 1 upon x. If this term goes this side, then this will come this side. So minus a is equal to 1 upon x. So a equal to 1 upon x. This is equation 1. Now we can write this a minus a is equal to 1 upon x. So 1 upon x power 1 upon a. 1 upon a is minus x. So minus x is equal to 4. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So you can write this by equation 1 and 2. Now therefore we can write this x power minus 1 upon x, we can write x power minus 1 power minus x is equal to 4, right? Therefore x power minus 1 minus x minus minus plus, so it will become x power x is equal to 4. Now x power x is equal to, this is 4, so we can write 2 square. So comparing here base and exponent, comparing base and exponents, we can conclude this x is equal to 2. But x is equal to 2, so you can see here a is equal to minus 1 upon x. Therefore we can say here a is equal to minus 1 upon x by equation 1, by equation 2, sorry. A is equal to 1 upon x minus a. Minus a is equal to 1 upon x. So therefore a equal to, we can write 1 upon minus x, right? Therefore value of a, we already got the value of 2. X is equal to 2. So we can write this a is equal to 1 upon value of 2 is minus 2. So we can write therefore a is equal to minus 1 upon 2. This is the value of a. So from first method and second method we got the same value of a is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Now let's verify is this correct or not. Now let's verify. Value of a is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Minus 1 upon 2. Is this correct or not? So question is given square root of a minus a is equal to 4. A square root of minus a is equal to 4. And here if a is equal to minus 1 by 2, then we will get here a, that is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 square root of minus 1 by 2 minus, and value of a minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2, right, is equal to 4. This is given, so we have to prove that. Question mark 4. Now minus 1 by 2. So here we can write this minus 1 by 2 same as it is, square root of. Now minus plus. So we can write this 1 by 2. Question mark 4. Now this is 1 by 2 and here square root of minus 1 by 2. So we can write this 1 by 2, this one, and this is the square root. So we can write this 1 upon minus 1 by 2, right? Question mark 4. Now 1 upon 2, and when we are doing this step 1 divided by minus 1 by 2, then we will get here 1 upon 2 minus 2, and this is question mark 4. Now 1 upon 2 power minus 2. So we can write this power, if we want to do positive, then we can write this 1 upon 2, right? This is, and here 1 power, because we have to do this number is positive, so 1 power 1 upon 2 power 2. Question mark 4. Now 1 divided by 1 upon 2 whole square. So 1 upon 2 whole square, that is 1 square 1, and 2 square, that is 4. So we can write this 1 upon 4. Question mark 4. Now in next step, when we are doing this 1 divided by 1 upon 4, so we can write this 1 times 4 by 1. Question mark 4. So here 4 is equal to 4. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So value of A equal to, we can say value of A equal to minus 1 by 2. This is the correct solution for this question. Thank you.